With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. In this question they ask, given below are the diagram of the plant cell as seen under the microscope after being placed in two different solutions. Okay, this is diagram A and this is diagram B. Here we have to see the plasma membrane. Okay, see, this plasma membrane become flaccid and this become another type. So what is the technical term for the condition cell A and cell B? So now let us see. Let us give the technical term for cell A is turgid cell and for cell B is plasmolized or flaccid cell.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.